First, take the aircraft parts out of the foam box. Part 1 Horizontal Stabilizer Assembly. Now we install the horizontal tail. At the connection between the horizontal and vertical tails, apply foam glue. Align the horizontal tail to the slot and install it. And observe if it is level. Next, install the horizontal rudder pedal. Observe the ball head of the rudder. First, check the position. The ball head is installed in the outermost third hole. Slowly tighten it. Note that you can't tighten the ball head too much, and leave some room for movement. We can feel it. If the ball head is too tight, you can loosen it a little bit. Between the ball head and the rubber part, there is a little room for free movement. Part 2 Aileron Installation. Then we start to install it. Unscrew the aileron line first. The aileron line is inserted from the slot into the front battery compartment. Then fasten the front buckle. Press it down. Then fix it with screws. Then the entire plane is assembled. Next, I will demonstrate to you the wiring of the glider. What size of battery and receiver are needed? We do have recommended battery sizes. We recommend using the 3 seconds 450 mAh battery. The battery size can be according to the recommended size. Because when disassembling and assembling the battery, we may frequently take the receiver off. That's why we attached Velcro to the battery compartment. We can also stick a magic tape on the receiver. This can fix it, but also convenient for plugging and unplugging. Start wiring. First, we'll go to channel 1 to connect to the aileron line. 2 channels for connecting to the hoisting line. Connect the throttle cable to channel 3. 4-channel connection for the vertical stabilizer cable. Then we put the battery into the battery compartment. To the bottom. Position the receiver and ESC. Then turn on the power. After power on, long press the pairing button for 2 seconds. The LED indicator changes to a steady green light, indicating that the frequency has been completed. Cover the hatch. The wiring is completed. Before the aircraft functional test, check each ball head and rubber part. If they are stuck, if you find that there is a particularly tight fit, you can loosen the ball head a little bit. Now the rudder is in normal motion state. Start testing. Aileron test. Horizontal tail test. Vertical tail test. Motor test. The assembly, wiring, and testing videos for the entire aircraft have now been completed.